Hi, my name is Scott. Today we are reviewing these pillows. Now, something I want to point out right away, when you open the box, be careful with cutting the box open. You don't want to puncture the pillows. So I'm pretty excited to see how soft they really are. It's been a while since I had a Goose, so we're just going to drop the tip right there. Since I've had a Goose feather pillow. So as you guys can see here, as we open this up, you're going to be able to see what I'm talking about. So the pillow is pretty close. Now, they actually did a good job. They put this piece here to protect. So they already pre-planned people would open that, but just be careful. So this says Goose feathers, 60%, 40% polyester. Okay, so it's not 100% goose feathers, but it is more than half. Okay, so it is a 2-pack. Let's go ahead and set one off to the side so we can open this one here. It will expand once the pillow is out. I recommend before using it, giving it, I would say half a day or longer. You can kind of, well, you might not be able to see, but it's slowly expanding. You can help it by pulling the feathers in the center like this, kind of moving them around. Oh, that is so soft. This reminds me, growing up, we had Goose pillows. That was actually the big thing before memory foam. Or Duck. Duck was also fairly big, I remember. So this is pretty nice. I like it. It's definitely soft. It doesn't look like there's any way to open this, so obviously you guys are going to want a pillowcase so you don't ruin it. Because this is all one piece. You can't like unzipper it and take this off. So you will want a pillowcase, but look how big this is. Look how thick that is. But yet, as soon as we lay down, it goes so flat, so soft. And then look, right back up. Just to show you the effect better. You can see it swell. Really nice. And with this pillow, there's no chemical smell. So hold on guys for 1 second. There's no chemical smell with this. Oh man, that is so soft. With the memory foam pillows, you get this chemical smell and it lasts like a week. With this, there's nothing. None of that. That is soft, my friends. That's soft.